Hey guys! So last year I was wanting to make my boyfriend a Valentine's Day card, and I couldn't find many online that were showing 3D designs. So I've done quite a bit of cards since then and quite a bit of research. So I thought I would come on here and show you two 3D designs, Valentine's Day inspired, and one Christmas Day inspired 3D design. So the first one I'll be showing you guys today is this flower one. So here's a closer look. The second one I'll be showing you guys is this 3D hearts. Here's a closer look. Last one is the Christmas one, which is this Christmas tree that I'll be showing you how to make. So those are the three 3D designs I'm going to be showing you how to make today. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this for the first design, which are these 3D flowers. You're going to be needing your paper, some different color paper, some tape, scissors. You're also going to be needing something to write with. I'm using a pencil. And lastly, a marker of any kind. Okay, so you're going to be starting by folding your paper. This is going to be for the flowers. So you're going to be folding it multiple times until you get to a size like this. Now for this, you're going to be folding it again. So you're going to be folding this about 3 times. So you can see this is what I'm doing here. Once you have it like a size like this, you're going to be using your pencil and drawing a oval shape. This is going to be the size and shape of your petals in the flower. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking these scissors and just cutting out the circles. Okay, so they're going to look like this. Now you're going to fold them in half. You're going to be doing that to all of them. Okay, now you're going to take tape, and I like to just apply it like this. So you're applying it basically to both sides. Just folding it over like that. And now you're going to be taking one of the little petals that is folded up. And here I'm just cutting the excess tape that was left over. So now you're going to see I'm going to be taking the one that's folded and just adding it to the side that has tape on it. Going to do that to both sides until all of them are used up. This is how it's going to look when it's all done. So now I'm taking my paper that's folded, which is going to be the card part. Now I'm taking the flowers that I made. I made 4 here. You can do them all different sizes or the same size, however you like. Now I'm going to be setting them up on the paper. So I'm just setting them up however I would want them to be. Now I'm going to be taking tape, and now I'm going to be taping the flowers onto my card. This is going to be the front of my card. So I'm doing that to all of them here. Okay, so now once I tape all of them down, I'm going to be taking my marker and I'm going to be doing the stem. So that's what I'm drawing right now. This is the final look. The second design, I'm going to be showing you how to do these 3D hearts. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing, you're going to be needing your card, now a different color, paper, tape, going to be needing scissors for this as well, pencil, and that should be everything we're needing for this. So we're going to start by taking your colored paper. This is going to be for the hearts. So I'm going to be folding it in half and drawing the different size hearts I'm going to be cutting. So now I'm going to be taking my scissors and just cutting out the different size hearts. Okay, so once you cut out the hearts, you're going to be needing to cut some pieces of paper. They're going to be the same size length. just different size width. So you're going to be needing about 6 of these. So now with these, you're going to be taking them and folding them 5 times each. So now once you fold them 5 times, you're going to be making a square with them. So here I'm just doing that and just adding some tape to secure it. So you're going to be doing that to all of the pieces of paper. There should be 2 of each size. So each one is going to be a little bit smaller. So I did that, and I'm going to be choosing which ones I'm going to put together, similar sizes to each other. So now once I have that, I'm going to be using tape once again and taping them right next to each other. So once you do that to all of them, you're going to take your hearts and your card that should be folded like this. Going to go ahead and open, and you're going to be taking the biggest little square section that you did. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding tape to both sides. So first I'm going to tape one side, and I'm going to be taping it right down the middle. After that, I'm going to take tape again, and I'm going to be taping the top part. I'm going to be adding the biggest heart to right down the middle again. So that's what I'm doing right here. After that, I'm going to be taking a smaller little square section, and once again taping the top and bottom and taping it on top of that heart that we have down there already. I'm going to be repeating this last step one more time, and this is going to be the final product. So that was the 3D design for the hearts. The last 3D design I'm going to be showing you is how to make this Christmas tree. So again, you're going to need the folded piece of paper, which is going to be your card. Then just a green piece of paper and a small yellow piece of paper. Then some tape, some scissors, and that should be everything. So you're starting off with the small green piece of paper and some scissors. You're going to be cutting them. They should each be around the same width. That's what I'm doing right now, just cutting that. And once I cut all of them, I'm just making sure that the length, each one is just a little bit smaller. So that's what I'm doing right now. So once I have that, I'm going to be taking them and just folding them in this zigzag motion. As you see here, doing that to all of them. Now I'm taking my card here, and I'm also taking the zigzag little thing that I did and just adding tape to both the sides. This is the biggest one, and like I'm doing here, adding tape to both sides, and I'm going to be taping one side on the opposite side of the middle. So for this one, I'm starting on the left side. So I'm just taping it like this and then kind of stretching it over the middle, and it's going to be taped on the other side. So this is our longest section, so I am stretching it quite a bit. Now I'm taking the next section. This one is the medium length one. So I'm also taping it on the other side just like the first one. But I am making sure that it's a little bit shorter, not as stretched as that first one. And this is the last one as well. So once again, making sure it's not as stretched as the one before. Now I'm taking my yellow piece of paper and I'm going to be drawing a star. This is going to be for the top of the tree. So I'm just drawing a regular star and then I'm going to be cutting that out. So here I am cutting that star out. So the last thing I'm going to be doing is just taking some tape and taping the star on top of the tree. So that's what I'm doing right here. And this is the final result for that little Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make these 3D designs with me. Thank you for watching.